How about a refreshingly delicious herb sauce? Sauce that pretty much goes on really about anything. You can marinate tofu, meats, you can put it on pasta, you can put it in rice, you can put it on a grilled cheese sandwich, you can put it on anything. You can put it on a nice pizza. Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, and today we're going to dive into a delicious pesto sauce. Alright, so let's begin. This is a really easy sauce to make, simple ingredients. With use of the processor, there's no cooking involved, so you use the food processor just to blend it all up, so it's really easy to make. So we're going to start off with the basil. Grab 3 sprigs of basil. This is going to make roughly about 2 tightly packed cups of basil leaves. Make sure that you wash it off first, and then go ahead and start removing all of the leaves from the stems. Go ahead and throw it on into the food processor. Check it out. It's pretty much about 2 cups. Just cram it on in there, throw it on into that food processor, get it ready to go. Next up to bat will be our wonderful friend's garlic, so go ahead and smash it, get rid of the skin, just give it a nice peeling and throw it on in. Next, we're going to take about half of a cup of Parmesan cheese. Go ahead and grab fresh Parmesan cheese. Is usually the best, so it tastes a little bit better to me if you grate it. You can buy the packaged stuff if you like, not a problem, just throw it on in. But right here we're going to do half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. You could use Romano cheese as well if you'd like, but here we're going to use Parmesan cheese. Go ahead and put it on in the food processor with the basil and the garlic, and then we're going to give it a couple pulses here just to get it all started up and get it ready to go. Okay, so now that we've given it a couple pulses, we're going to put 1/3 of a cup of pine nuts. We're going to go ahead and throw it on in. And then we're going to give it a quick dash of salt and pepper to taste. Time to throw that processor top back on, give it a few pulses. Now it's time to go ahead and add a little bit of olive oil to the mixture. Go ahead and we're going to add extra virgin olive oil, half of a cup, and we're going to slowly pour it in. So go ahead and start up that food processor and start slowly pouring that olive oil in. Now it's a good idea to go ahead and halfway through the process to scrape down the sides, make sure that you're getting all of the pine nuts, all of the basil, everything well combined. So scrape down the sides, and then we're going to give it another little bit of a pulsing and add some more olive oil. And there you go, everybody. It's as easy as that. 1, 2, 3, blend, bam, you're done. Wonderful, delicious, creamy, rich, bright green pesto sauce. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please do feel free to leave your comments below. I'd love to hear what you have to say. And if sauces are your thing, whether they're savory or deliciously sweet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. There's more videos to come. Thanks, and see y'all next time.